Hi everyone, it's Miss Dawn from Crystal Lake Public Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY nail polish necklace like this. To make your DIY nail polish necklace, you will first of all need nail polish. Choose whatever brand and color you'd like. You will also need washers. These you can get at any hardware store. I have two sizes here. The larger size is 5/16 by 1 5/8, and the smaller size is 1/4 by 1. I also have black cord. This is hemp cord, but you can get whatever kind of cord you want, and it doesn't have to be black. I just chose black because it matches everything. And you'll also need scissors and wax paper. The first thing you're going to do is lay out your wax paper to cover your surface, and then you choose whichever size washer you'd like, and you are going to choose a nail polish color. Make sure you shake up your nail polish first, and then just coat the whole thing in nail polish, like so. Then you are going to set your washer aside to dry. Once your washer has dried, I recommend painting the back as well, so you can turn it over and paint it again. You can try painting it a different color, though you'll have to be careful on the edges. So I am going to just paint it the same color as before. And now we are going to set it aside again to dry. So this washer is completely done, and I'm going to show you how to turn it into a very basic necklace. So I've measured out my cord. I measured 32 inches. I tied a knot on one end, and then I am just going to go to the other end, stick it through the washer, pull it up, and then tuck the other end of the cord through it and pull. And there you go. That is the most basic necklace that you can make. You could also turn your small washer into a bracelet by taking two smaller pieces of cord. These are each about 12 inches. You're going to do the same thing as before, tie that same kind of knot, but you're going to do it twice. So make a loop, pull the edges through the loop, and then we're going to do it on this side as well. Make the loop, stick the edges through the loop. There we go. And now you can tie this around your wrist. The first thing you can do is paint some patterns on your washer in another color. So I think I'm going to add some polka dots in this light blue to add a pattern and a little texture. Another thing you can do is you can layer your washers. So I have a bigger washer here, and I'm going to just set the little washer on top like so. You can glue it on with hot glue, glue them together, and then you can tie your string and you can have some different pops of color and a larger necklace. Here's examples of some of the stuff I've made, and I hope you have fun designing and painting your own DIY nail polish necklaces. Thanks for watching.